We are going to solve this problem related to coins and quantity, and we will see how it goes. So please go through the details, and we will see an example over here, and then we will directly start solving this problem. So let's see the example. Example says that, hey, there is a coin 10 whose quantity is only 1, and then this coin has 2 quantity, it is available in 2, and this coin is only 1. So how it is going to work? So it's pretty easy. So it is pretty easy question. What does it say? That it asks us to return unique sums. So because it's unique, we are creating it we are saving it in a set so that the sums are unique, and how we are going to create the sums. So let's see. This is 10 and it's only available once, so we are going to do this. The sum over here is 10, right? Then this 50, it exists 2 times, so the first sum out of this one is 50, sorry for my drawing, and the second sum will be 50 plus 50, which is 100. But now you realize that you must have figured it out that there is another one here. So this sum, so this should also be calculated with this one as well as this one. So 50 plus 6, 10 is equal to 60 over here. 60, and then 110 is equal to 110, and so forth, and so on and so forth. And then it comes like 100, and then 100 over here, and then 110, 110, and then 150, and then 200 and 160, yes, and then something like that. So that's how there will be total 9. There will be total 9 unique sums, and 2 will be duplicates, so there will be total 13 sums in for this example. So let's go ahead and start solving this problem. So as I said, we are going to use a set over here to keep a unique sums. So let's see, and we call it sums is equal to new. We will save it in hash set. This looks pretty good, and then we will go through from, you remember, from this to this one, coins. We will iterate through each coin available in the coins array. So how do we do that? I less than coins dot length, and I plus plus. This looks pretty good, and you remember that this guy. So when I'm going to start this thing, I have to find I have to get this sum as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to save these sums until this element, sums until this element, into maybe array list. I'll say array list, and we will keep it over here, right? So we saved it. We saved this part into this array list, and then why did we do that? We will see in some minutes. And now I have to go through each. Of these quantities. So how are we going to do that? We are going to keep a variable called j. Int j is equal to 1 because I want to multiply it with the coin, and 1 I will use as a quantity. So j less than equal to quantity. And what is the quantity? Because the size of quantity and coins is same, so we can just fetch the ith element in the quantity corresponding to that of the coins, and j plus plus, and that's it over here. Sounds pretty good. And then we go here and we get the sum now. So first of all, I'm going to get this one 50 over here, and then I'm going to save it into a variable called sum local is equal to coins, and we got the coins, let's say 10, and the first element was 10, so this one, and then the j over here. So for this one, it's on j is the only one, so it will give me only 10. And then I have to add this thing to this map, to the set, because this is a new sum. This is this new sum, and then now when the sum is done over here, I have to iterate through each of the element before this before this 50, so which is available over here. So I'm going to write a for each loop over here, and I am going to say sum until this element, and then it sums until this element, and I will get each element before this element, and I will sum it. So how do we sum it? Sum until this element plus this sum local, so 50 plus 10, it will come over here 60, you see. So and this will also be part of sums add, and I'm just going to add it over there, right? So, and that's it actually. And then this will continue to add, and then I'm going to return the size of sums dot size, and then it will return the unique sums for this one, and that's it. And thanks for watching. Please go through the details. If you want to pause the video, try on your own. If you like the video, please like it over there as well. Thank you very much.